Alright folks, so I just want to share a quick tip here when using Camtasia. Say you recorded a lecture that is 1 hour long. So that file, once you decide to share that file or save it as MP4 or MOV, that file will be huge depending on, of course, the size, the quality of the video. If it's high resolution 1080 or 720, even 720, it's going to be a huge file. And that's going to be a problem when uploading that file to YouTube, for example, or even Box. So what I would recommend is to break your lecture into parts, and I'll show you how to do that. So for this particular lecture here, I have three separate tracks. Each one will be saved separately. So at first when I recorded, it was only track 1, so it was really long here, or these two were part of the first one. So I separated them and then moved them to a different track, and I'll show you how to do that. Let's say you want to split this track number 3 here. You want to go even smaller with regards to the size of the file. So you find where you want to split it. Once you found it, then you're going to right click and then choose split at playhead. So notice that it will create another piece of your lecture. So basically what you do then is click this plus sign here. It will create a brand new track, and then you just click, hold, and drag that all the way to the beginning, and that's going to be another file that you can save. So in order to, for example, share track number 4, you would have to hide the previous one. So if you click that little icon right there, it's going to hide the previous 3. And now if I click on share on the right upper corner in Camtasia, I'm not showing here because I'm focused on this area in Camtasia. So if you share and save that file, then it will only save track 4, since track 4 is available. The other ones are not available. By doing this way, you ended up with 4 separate files, and this is going to be much easier for you to upload these files to YouTube or Box so that you can share on your Canvas course page. I hope this was helpful.